This is a tutorial on how to remote into your classroom computer. Begin by opening your web browser and typing in spectrumsolutions.screenconnect.com. Do not put the www prefix in front of it. Now, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Login button. Next, log in using the username and password that was emailed to you. You will be taken to the Access Dashboard page. From here, you will see the name of the computer you will be remoting into. Select the checkbox for the name of your computer. Select the Start icon, and then click the Join button. If this is your first time running ScreenConnect, your browser will download the ScreenConnect app, which will be used to control the computer you'll be remoting into. After it has downloaded, run the ScreenConnect Client Setup installer. After the installer has executed, the ScreenConnect application will open in its own window. This is where you will be driving your remoted computer. You'll notice it is in its own window by clicking the title bar and dragging the window around. As you can see, your internet browser is still open in its own separate window. And you'll also notice the ScreenConnect app in your taskbar. You are now remotely connected to our classroom computer. It's as if you are sitting in front of the computer in the classroom. Now, you're ready to log on to the computer. To begin, click the screen. On the blue screen, click OK. Here, log in by using the same username and password that was emailed to you. To log in, click on Other User. Then, enter the same username and password that was emailed to you. From here, you will see that you have control of the desktop computer in our classroom. You'll be able to access the program and follow along with the class. The icons on your desktop may look different from what is shown in this video, but that's okay. During the startup period, if any programs or applications pop up, just close them out. During your session, if you move your mouse to the top of the window, you'll notice a tab that appears with controls. Most of these controls you will not be using, but they are View, which lets you control your view settings, Essentials, which has additional controls to your remoted computer, Toolbox, File Transfer, Screen Capture, Sound, Participants, Annotation, Messages, where you can exchange messages directly with the instructor, Helper, and Status. To the upper right, you will see additional icons. They are Other Settings, a minimize button, Restore Down button. And when the window is sized down, the button turns into a Maximize button. And a Close Window button. Clicking this will close the app and disconnect you from the remoted computer. At the end of the class, to log off, move your mouse to the top of the screen so that the control panel appears, and then click the X button to the far right. Next, go back to your internet browser where you have the ScreenConnect Access dashboard. Then, go to the user profile icon in the lower left corner of the screen. Click on the icon and then click Log Out. You are now logged out and will be taken back to the Begin Login screen.